So, welcome, work life warriors, to your wellness work break. I am Ebony Davenport and I teach stress management. I show people how to utilize fun management solutions to decrease stress and counter burnout so that we're happier, healthier, and well balanced. I use over 75 tips, tools, tricks, and techniques to manage stress. But today we're going to talk about the king of stress management, which is deep breathing. Now, so first off, I want you to sit straight and watch how we're breathing. We want to see if we're breathing robustly or if it's shallow, if we're breathing in enough air, if our breathing is even and non-constricting. We want to make sure that we're breathing deep into our diaphragm and not in our chest or our throat. And so we want to make sure that our belly is rising more than our shoulders. Okay. So let's just take a couple of deep breaths. You see, my shoulders and chest, they are rising, but not as much as my belly you can't see. But my breathing is even and non-constricting. I do a count of 4 and I exhale a count of 4. Right? Good job. Natural breathing. The next one we're going to do is sit in our chair. We're going to relax and plant our shoulders. We're going to take in as much air as we possibly can through our nostrils. We're going to pause for a second and then we're going to force the air out with a deep sigh. Are you ready? We're going to do 3 of these. Inhale. Pause. Sigh. 2 more. Inhale. Last one, make it a big one. Good job. Steady breathing. The next one we're going to do is a 4 by 4 by 4 by 4. So we're going to inhale through our nose for 4 seconds. We're going to pause for 4 seconds. We're going to exhale through our mouth for 4 seconds and then pause for another 4 seconds before we inhale again through our nostrils. Okay. Now I am going to count you in on this and we're going to do this 4 times. Ready? Breathe in through your nostrils. 1, 2, 3, 4, and pause. 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 2, 3, 4, and pause. 2, 3, 4. Inhale. 2, 3, 4, and pause. 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 2, 3, 4, and pause. 2, 3, 4. Inhale. 2, 3, 4, and pause. 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 2, 3, 4, and pause. 2, 3. Make it a big one. Inhale. 2, 3, 4, and pause. 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 2, 3, 4, and pause. 2, 3, 4. Good job. Natural breathing, natural breathing. The next one we're going to do is sit in our chair and we're going to ignite our senses. So we're going to take in a deep breath into our nostrils and we're going to push the air deep, 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 deep down our throat into our belly. We're going to pause for a second, ignite our senses. What do you see, hear, taste, and feel? Then we're going to exhale and release the breath. Okay. We're going to do this 3 times. And then I want to know, what do you see, hear, taste, and feel? Ready? And sometimes it helps to close your eyes to go inward. So I'll do one with my eyes closed and one with them open. We'll do this 2 times. Ready? Inhale. One more time, make it a big one. I hear the birds chirping. Feels a little warm in here. I taste the juice that I had, it's apple juice before I started this, and I'm feeling kind of relaxed today. I'm in a very relaxed, excited mood today. So let's just do one more for today. What we're going to do is some straw breathing. We're going to inhale through our nostrils. We're going to pause for a second, and then we're going to push the air out through perched lips as if we're breathing through a straw. We're going to do 3 of these. Ready? Inhale. Number 2. Last one, make it a big one. Good job. Steady breathing. How do you feel? How do you feel after you practice deep breathing exercises with me? Please share in the chat. How do you feel after igniting your senses? What do you see, hear, taste, and feel? We did 3 or 4 deep breathing exercises. Did it make you feel more grounded, happy? Did it change your mood? Do you feel more engaged, more productive? I would love to know. Please share with me what's your experience after practicing deep breathing with me.